What's up everybody, and welcome to Academy of Aperture. My name is Keith, and in today's video we are going to be talking about the perfect camera for TikTok. Well, potentially the perfect camera for TikTok. The camera that I'm talking about is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Some of you may be skeptical and say that your phone is the best camera for TikTok videos, and to be fair, for the most people using the social media platform, it's super easy to use your phone to create content as you always have it on you. But with everything, there's always drawbacks regarding that, such as using your phone battery when you're out and about shooting. That sort of takes away from the phone usage. The quality of the front camera isn't as good as the back camera. You take up storage on your phone, and with the videos, there's so much more things that can go wrong with using your phone, but that's not talking about in this video. When the Pocket 3 was released, I wanted one, but it wasn't until a few weeks ago, or a few months ago actually, that I got around to buying one after thinking where it would fit in my workflow for media, what I would use it for, and would it be worth spending the money on it. And I'm so glad that I got one. I just wish I got one sooner. So let's talk about the subject of the title and using this camera for TikTok, as most of the people using this would be using it for travel vlogs, horizontal video, and sometimes vertical video for shorts and reels, and this is where it's perfect for TikTok. You can flip your screen on the Pocket 3 and have it shoot in vertical, and you can shoot at 1080p, 2.7K and even 3K from 25 frames a second to 60 frames a second, so you can create some amazing high quality vertical video using the Pocket 3 to be used on TikTok. And if you pick up the Creator Combo accessory pack, you also get additional extras to allow a small mini tripod on it, so you can always have the stand with you to allow you to have the camera easily stand on a table or any other surface to film yourself, rather than having to balance a phone or carry a tripod with you. As the Pocket 3 is a gimbal too, you can plonk the camera down and then use the little dial to move the camera to compose your shot, and also shooting in 3K too, it gives you room to crop in without losing quality, and that's 3K as well rather than not 3.2, but you get it. Another bonus if you get the Creator Combo pack is that you get the DJI Mic 2, which automatically connects to the camera when they're both turned on, and the microphone produces some fantastic quality audio, and I use the DJI Mic kit when shooting videos as now, and it's always a pleasure to use. So now you can have high quality video and audio in one small package that you can carry around with you. There's also the screen on the camera which you can use to watch the video back, the video being recorded, and you can also use the app for this on your phone and download footage to edit on your phone, upload to TikTok, and you can also use your phone as a monitor if you wanted. But like I said earlier, using your phone when you're out and about filming will drain your battery, so the best thing is not to use your phone battery. Use the DJI Pocket 3 and then you can save the battery on your phone. Previously, when I shot content for TikTok, Reels or Shorts, I'd usually have to get my camera that I'm shooting up now, hook up the microphone like this, attach it to a tripod, turn on the camera to shoot in vertical mode, or even shoot it in horizontal, then crop in, hoping the frame was good for this, and it was such a long process, and sometimes I didn't want to go through that whole thing just to shoot some videos and ended up not doing it, to be fair. The fact that I can take the camera out of the bag, plonk it down, turn on the microphone, and then I'm ready to go allows you to easily, quickly create content and actually do it when you're in a creative mindset. I've shot so much videos on here using the Pocket rather than setting up the camera. You can film videos in the house, on location, and just about anywhere you want to due to the Pocket 3 gimbal and compact size. If you're shooting travel content, then walking around somewhere using this gets you nice smooth footage. And if you're shooting talking head content, you can enable the face tracking option. The gimbal will follow your head in the frame, so you can set away recording, just do whatever you need to do, and the camera will always have you in frame without checking the screen. I just love how versatile this camera actually is, and the amount of different uses that it has and what you can use it for. Before we talk about the battery and modes, I just wanted to ask a favour. If you're not subscribed to the channel, giving a subscribe to the channel will be absolutely fantastic and help push these kinds of videos out to more people, so the videos and the channel can get more exposure and people can learn things. The battery of the Pocket 3 could probably last you all day shooting content, and even if it does dwindle down, you can charge it up via a USB-C. It's got a super fast charging too. It takes only 16 minutes to get to 80% and 32 minutes to 100%, according to DJI. But again, with the Creator Combo, you get an extra battery extension. This allows you to charge up the Pocket 3 while using it, and then you can recharge the battery pack once this is dead, and then repeat the process to have pretty much unlimited battery life during a day. You can use the Pocket 3 in automatic mode, so you just pick it up, start shooting, and you're good to go. But if you want to get creative with video and lighting, then you have full manual operation too. So if you want a dark and moody setup, you can do this, or a bright and airy style video, you can have that too. These are my impressions about using this camera for TikTok. And while the title states it's for that particular social app, it's sort of meant as a general vertical video which you can use for your Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or any other vertical video service. But I did see some comments about TikTok and thought this camera would cover it, so that's what I did. What's your thoughts on using this for TikTok content? I'd love to see your comments on it, and quite possibly include them in a future video too. So let me know in the comments if you would use this for TikTok, if you are using this for TikTok, or why you wouldn't use this for TikTok. And like I said, there's quite a few videos on the Osmo Pocket 3 on the channel. There's one on the screen now, so if you want to watch something else on the Pocket 3, check that out. Until next time, see ya.